Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online classes of Iqra Huffaz Boys Secondary School, a project of Iqra Education System. This video session is for English text for class 7. This is lecture number 6, language practice, page number 11. Our today topic is possessive pronouns. बेटा आज का हमारा टॉपिक है possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership or belongings. Possessive pronoun ऐसे pronoun को कहते हैं जो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है possession शो करने, यानी कि मिल्कियत शो करने, ओनरशिप शो करने. किसी चीज़ की मैं किसी चीज़ का मालिक हूँ या कोई चीज़ मेरी है, तो इस चीज़ को शो करने के लिए वी यूज़ possessive pronouns. Okay? Now look at the chart. Here we have subjective pronouns. What are subjective pronouns? Subjective pronoun. A subjective pronoun acts as the subject of a sentence. Subjective pronouns sentence में subject के तौर पे use होता है. It performs the action of the verb, और जो verb है उसका action perform करता है. For example, I is the subjective pronoun. It always performs the action of the verb. Example, I run, we play, you sleep, he works, she cooks, it jumps, they fights. So these are the subjective pronouns. And what are their possessive pronoun? इन subjective pronoun के possessive pronouns क्या होते हैं जो मिल्कियत शो करते हैं? Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Look at these examples. These books are mine. These books are mine. ये किताबें मेरी हैं. मिल्कियत शो कर रहा हूं मैं इसमें. ठीक है. The next one is ours. This school is ours. ये स्कूल हमारा है. Okay, yours, yours. This shirt is yours. ये शर्ट आपकी है. This shirt is not mine. ये शर्ट मेरी नहीं है. This shirt is yours. The next we have he, his. This pen is his. ये पेन उसका है. So he, it means boy. We use his as possessive pronoun. The next we have she, hers. Example, this purse is hers. ये पर्स उसका है. All right. The next we have this is the dog's belt. ये बेल्ट डॉग का है. और इसको हम possessive pronoun में कैसे लिखेंगे? The belt is its. All right. The next we have they, theirs. This house is theirs. ये मकान उनका है. Okay. तो possessive pronouns are the pronouns that are used to indicate possession or ownership. Possessive pronouns वो pronouns होते हैं जो मिल्कियत शो करते हैं, जो हमें मिल्कियत बताते हैं. Now look at these examples. The boy has a red hat. How we can write this sentence with the help of possessive pronoun by using possessive pronoun? This red hat is his. ये लाल hat उसकी है. Okay. The next we have the girl has a green purse. और possessive pronoun के साथ कैसे लिखेंगे? This green purse is hers. The next we have they have a blue ball. उनके पास नीली बॉल है, blue ball है. This blue ball is theirs. All right. I hope you have understood very well. So my dear students, take out your book and open page number 11 for exercise 1. Okay, page number 11, exercise 1. I'm reading the instructions. Fill in the blanks in the following exercises with the possessive pronouns given in the box below. You can use one pronoun only once. Write the complete sentences in your notebook. बेटा fill in the blanks हमें fill करनी है और possessive pronoun से fill करनी है और ये possessive pronoun उन्होंने हमें दिए हैं. ठीक है. So let's see. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its. Okay, we have to use only one possessive pronouns once. हमें सिर्फ एक दफ़ा एक possessive pronoun यूज़ करना है, दोबारा उसको यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. The first one is this is the cat's food. ये बिल्ली का खाना है. The food is mine. No. The food is his. No. The food is then. Well done. It's. Okay. The next we have that house belongs to us. वो घर हमारा है. The house is yours. No. The house is mine. No. Then very good. The house is ours. Next we have Adnan is the owner of the blue car. Adnan is the owner of the blue car. Adnan नीली गाड़ी का मालिक है, blue car का मालिक है. The car is, फिर गाड़ी किसकी हुई? His. Very good. We use his for boy, for men. I have many pictures. The pictures are all hers. No. मेरे पास बहुत सारी pictures हैं. सारी की सारी pictures किसकी हैं? Mine. Very good. The pictures are all mine. All right. So I have done 4 for you, and you have to do the remaining 3 yourself. Now turn the page for the next exercise. Okay, this is exercise 2 on page number 12. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronouns with the help of the hint. Write the answers in your notebook. ठीक है बेटे, ये भी fill in the blanks हैं और लेकिन इसमें इन्होंने हमें hint दी है ताकि हम बिल्कुल suitable possessive pronoun इसमें fill कर सकें. देखिए, the first one is look at the bowls of ice cream. It means that there are many bowls. 2, 3, 4, 5. So look at the bowls of ice cream. Dash is the blue one. अब ये जो यहाँ पर है ये उसका नीला वाला है, ठीक है, किसका? बिलोंग्स टू मीना. मीना इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ गर्ल. तो व्हाट possessive pronouns we use for Meena? All right, very good. Hers is the blue one. The next one is I like your dress. मुझे आपका ड्रेस पसंद है. Do you like my dress? My dress is not possessive pronoun. So what possessive pronoun do we have to use? Very good. Do you like mine? The next we have I looked everywhere for your socks. I found Ali's socks but could not find. Socks belongs to you. मैंने हर जगह सॉक्स ढूंढे, मुझे अली के सॉक्स मिल गए, लेकिन मुझे वो सॉक्स नहीं मिले जो आपके थे. तो यहाँ what possessive pronoun we use? Very good. But I could not find yours. The next we have all the books were good but was the best. सारी किताबें अच्छी थी लेकिन एक बहुत अच्छी थी. कौन सी? Ali's story book was best. Ali's story book. क्या possessive pronoun आएगा? Very good. His. All the books were good but his was the best. Okay, so the next we have Sarah has cleaned her cupboards but Sana has not cleaned. Sarah ने अपनी कबर्ड साफ़ कर ली लेकिन सना ने अपनी कबर्ड साफ़ नहीं करी. तो क्या आएगा? Hers. But Sana has not cleaned hers as yet. Here we have solved 5. The remaining are your homework. Okay. Next we have exercise 3 on page number 13. Or work in pairs and orally complete the following dialogue. One student should play the role of Mansoor and the other of Yaqub. Fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronouns. The first one has been done as an example. After the oral practice, write the complete dialogue in your notebooks. ठीक है बेटा, ये भी fill in the blanks है और possessive pronoun ही हमें fill करने हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन ये dialogues form में है. ठीक है, एक स्टूडेंट इसमें मंसूर का रोल प्ले करेगा, दूसरा स्टूडेंट इसमें याकूब का. ठीक है. मंसूर, आई बॉट दिस बुक यस्टरडे, इट इज़ माइन. मैंने ये किताब कल ख़रीदी और ये मेरी है. याकूब, यू ऑल्सो बॉट दिस पेन. तुमने ये पेन भी ख़रीदा है एंड इट इज़ योर्स. वेरी गुड. मंसूर, विच बुक इज़ रुबीनाज. याकूब, द बुक विद द ब्लू कवर इज़ रुबीनाज की किताब. तो वो किताब जो ब्लू कवर की है वो किसकी है? वेल डन, हर्स. एंड व्हाट अबाउट बाबर? द ग्रे कैप इज़ हिज. वेरी गुड, वेरी वेल. So I have solved here 3 for you and the remaining 4 are your homework. All right. Now take out your diaries and note down your homework, and your homework is do exercise 1, 2 and 3 of language practice in your notebooks. Okay, that's all for today. We will meet inshallah in the next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.